Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make beaded tassels or fringes on your fabric. The material we need for today's tutorial are bullet pearls, crystal size 4 and 8, seed bead size 2, beading needle, thread, and your fabric. The fringes or tassels, as you may prefer to call it, that we are making today is so beautiful. I assure you that if you watch from the beginning to the end of this tutorial, you will not regret it. So let's get started, guys. So first thing first, thread your needle, then ensure you knot it properly. Knot it at least 2 times so that your beading does not come off loose. Okay, knot it as many times as possible. That'll be able to stop the first bead from coming off the thread. So I am picking size 4 crystal followed by a size 8 crystal. Then I'm picking another size 4 crystal. Then pick your bullet pearl. This pearl can be replaced by any other kind of bead you may want. It must not necessarily be this bullet pearl, okay? So drag your beads down the thread. Make sure they settle properly. Up next, we'll be picking another size 4 crystal. Then you will start picking your seed beads. Pick as many as you want depending on the length of fringe or tassel that you prefer on your fabric. Then when you are okay with the length that you have picked, drag it down the thread, ensure it sits properly, then position it well on either the edge of your fabric or the middle, depending on where you want. It can be on the sleeve, on the edge, anywhere. Just make sure it is positioned properly. Then penetrate your needle from the face of the fabric, then bring it out through the back to the face of the fabric again. All right, so that you can proceed to pick the next beads. So starting off, because this is starting from the upper part, you'll be picking the length of seed beads that you first pick. Ensure that they are equal. If they are not equal, add up to your bead or reduce it as the case may be. All right, ensure they are equal unless you don't want the fringes to be equal, unless you want them random. All right, then when you're done, pick size 4 crystal, pick your pearl, bullet pearl, any form of pearl you're using, then pick another size 4 crystal. I made a mistake here, but that will pass. Pick your size. After picking sizes, pick size 4 again as the last bead. Then you can now knot your thread. Ensure you knot it not less than 2 times so it doesn't come off loose, right? Knot it properly, knot it properly. Do not drag your thread so your fabric will not be folded. All right, ensure it's knotted properly. Knot one, then knot the second knot on the first knot so that the knot is big enough to hold your beads. Okay, see how beautiful it looks, right? So let's head to the next one. So I'm going to hasten up this tutorial so that I don't waste much of your time. The same thing is applicable here. The process is going to be repeated severally, as many as you want. Just do what you have to do, okay, to achieve these beautiful tassels. Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, I beg you to subscribe, because I'm going to be dropping beautiful bead work on this channel and you wouldn't want to miss out. And kindly hit the like button as well. If you have your comments, please bring them in, send them in. You can send in your suggestions, your requests, your opinions. All right, and if you have any beadwork that you want to give to me, you can call my phone number that you can see on the top corner of your screen. All right, so keep watching. Ensure you watch to the end so you can understand it properly and achieve these beautiful beaded tassels. All right. If you're still watching, thank you. Thank you for watching to the very end. When you're done with everything, ensure you trim out the excess thread on the tip. Okay? Ensure you trim it properly. Don't trim too close so that it does not get loose by itself. Alright? Here you have the end result. Guys, isn't this beautiful? Like, this is so gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. See you all next time. Bye.